All right, Corey, today we're going to talk about, you actually had us print a banner that we hang in the shop. It's the 10 best things you can do that don't cost you a dime. And on the top of that list is being on time.
Guys, being on time. You paid 15 grand to be at that schoolhouse over there, and you bought time. You bought 6 months worth of time, and if you're not there to reap what you've purchased, you're losing right out the gate. So, you know, I'm usually there at school anywhere from 30 to 15 minutes early every day. If I'm late, there's something wrong. But being on time on the job, let's say, you know, the job starts at 7 o'clock. They don't want you rolling in the gate at 7 o'clock. They want you there 15 minutes early, getting your gear ready, you know, putting your stuff away, getting a JSA started, you know, signing off, getting all your permits ready and all this and that. It takes time, and they want it done before work starts. So when you've got 30 guys waiting on a permit because a foreman was not there on time, right. You've got issues. You know, you've got $30 an hour times 30 men. It adds up, and it adds up quick, and the customer doesn't like that. So that's why we preach being on time, because time essentially on the job it's money.
Yeah, if you talk to those project managers, those supers, the number one thing that delays a job is guys showing up to work or showing up on time. So those delays cost those companies money.
Yeah.
And so those cats that show up like you're talking about early and are okay if we need to stay a little late. Those are the cats that get laid off last, and they're on the short list to get called back first.
Yes, sir. I've been the first one on a job and the last one to leave many jobs. You'll get a name on the job of being like a brown noser or whatever, but you know what? At the end of the day, you're making a check, you're feeding your family, you're paying your bills, you're getting what you're there for. Okay, you're building your name, you're making money, and you're taking care of your family.
Yeah, so this isn't high school. There's no attendance clerk. Yeah. Rolling in at 7:59 or 8 o'clock and beating that bell ain't going to cut it in industry. It's not going to cut it at KWI. Our attendance policy is pretty strict. If you drop below 95%, we put you on probation. Then you're required to show up 15 minutes early to your shift. If you drop below 90%, you're out the door. Right. Yeah. At KWI, we toss you. Don't put us on a resume. Don't pass go. Don't collect $200. We shake your hand, and you are terminated from the program.
Yeah. I've been involved with some of these terminations, and believe it or not, people, we will terminate you. It's a no joke policy. You know, we want you there. We want you there. What other school is going to tell you we want you there just so you can get your money's worth out of us? There's very few of them out there that's going to do that to you guys or for you.
And 90%, I mean, we're not requiring much. 90% is you are missing every other Friday. I mean, you drop below that. I mean, so you're telling a company, hey, every 2 weeks, I promise I'm going to miss Friday. I mean, that's not going to get the job done. No, nobody's going to want you. They'll take a C+ welder with an A+ attendance rate over the vice versa any day of the week.
Yep, I've seen it time and time again.
So at KWI, attendance is important, just like it is on the job. We're not going to sugarcoat things. We're not going to treat you like high school. If you want to know what it's like to go to work, then train with KWI.